Woo-wee! We got lucky. The very nice people at Tomica actually sent me 2 boxes this week. This is the second box of the week, but this is the 3rd box that they've sent us. And again, I love opening boxes with cars in them. So we're going to do it again. This is the 3rd box. And again, I'm guessing that it's, you know, their Walmart kind of basic line. But I don't know which models will be in here. So it's exciting. They've even got a layer of cardboard. Oh, I can't see it. Okay, so there's the top-down view. Got some plastic and tissue paper in there to protect the bubbles. We are going to pull out. We're going to pull out each car. See what we got. It looked like I saw one that I've seen before that I've already showed you guys. Yep. Okay, so the first car in there that we've shown before is the Suzuki Swift Sport. This is definitely only at Walmart because it's got the sticker on it. And I'm going to assume that the other ones are as well. But possibly in the box 2, you know, maybe those were some early runs of the cars that don't have the stickers on them yet. Oh yeah, this is cool. We haven't done this one yet. So I'm going to open this one here in a second. But this is the Nissan GT-R with the burnt orange on it. Very cool. Yeah, here's another favorite. This is the Subaru BRZ. Again, only available at Walmart. But this one was in our first box that we opened from Tomica. So I'm going to put that one to that side. This is cool. Check this out. The Toyota Prius PHV GR Sport. I have not seen this car yet in my hand. Look at that thing. That is definitely a primo version of a Prius. We're going to pop that one open for you. Again, this is not one that we've had yet. This is the Isuzu Giga-Fried Potato Car. I believe this was a Series 1 car. But it's in our 3rd mystery box. So we'll open that one too. And then this one right here is one that we've had before. This is the Mazda CX-5. Also from Series 1. Put that over there for now. Let's see here. Okay, so that was it. That was 6 cars in box number 3. Box number 3 just has some tissue paper in it still. Let's open these 3 real quick. We've got the potato truck. Which comes apart. Look at that, guys. That's hilarious. It's got like a little trailer with the potatoes on it. The French fries. Then we're going to open the Toyota Prius GS Sport. Where'd my knife go? Here it is. We're going to cut this one open. Oh yeah, that's the way to go on those things. There's the Prius Sport. Get a nice little view of that one. I have definitely not seen one of these rolling around yet. That's bad to the bone. And then the last car that we're going to open out of this case, the burnt orange GT-R. You know what, I may have, let's see here. Oh, check that out, guys. The Prius has a hatchback that opens. I just noticed that. That's super cool. And here's the burnt orange Nissan. Looks like the door's open. Oh yeah. I wouldn't mind driving that to work every day, would you guys? Boom. Thank you, Tomica. We love opening boxes that have die casts in them, but we're not sure what's in there. This is TOMICA Mystery Box opening number 3. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you soon. Wheel Collectors out.